Alright guys, just finished picking up a couple of things from the supermarket here. I actually like this supermarket. It's only produce and nuts and stuff, so really nice. I think this is still Northcliffe. This is a really nice area out here. I do get the vibe this is a very family-oriented area, so that's really cool. Don't know if there's more stuff down this way, but we're gonna check and see. And just look how beautiful this look out here, guys. We're in South Africa. This is Northcliffe, still part of Joburg. Really beautiful area. And this is one of the reasons why I love South Africa. The weather right now is just perfect. I don't know if there's anything else down here. Let me just so you can see what I see. I think that's it going down this way, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and go the other way, and we're gonna walk to the little shopping center that's down there and check it out. So because people are eating right here right now, I don't want to show them, so I'm just gonna keep the camera on my face, and once we get away from this area where people are eating to respect their privacy, then I'll put the camera, turn it around so you can see what I'm seeing. So let's go ahead and go on this journey, walk around up here. We're gonna keep exploring Northcliffe. I'm gonna have to see if there's, oh, you know what? There's another place I need to go to maybe in a couple of weeks out in, I think it's near Bryant. There was this big, there was a big fancy looking mall out there. Looked like a Galleria, so I'm gonna go check it out. We got traffic over here. Oh, look at these orchids, guys. They have some really beautiful flowers here. If I do ever buy a place in South Africa, I'm gonna have like the best garden in the world. I promise you that. Really cool flowers here. Real nice stuff. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna walk down here and we're gonna check and see what all is out this way. Now also let me do a little quick TikTok video. So if you're watching me on YouTube and you're not on the TikTok channel, following my TikTok channel, just go to Jason Chaney. Everything, all of my channels have my name in it. Everything's branded the same. So just make sure you follow me there so you're not missing out on content. What we got here? Frozen meals. I think they have vegetarian. Vegetarian cottage pie. Yeah. Don't know. Oh, TikTok video. Okay, bacon party supplies, guys. And if you live in Northcliffe, let me know, like, what are some areas that I should check out here? I didn't know nothing about this place, to be honest with you. I thought it was just homes in the cliffs. Hey, what's up, guys? Jason here. And I finished with the ice bath, finished talking with some of the guys there. I met some really cool and great guys there. One of the reasons why I love going to these events. But I just wanted to give you a view of here where I'm at in Northcliffe. It's beautiful, man. Like, I tell you, like, every time I go to a different place in South Africa in Joburg, it just, when you think you can't find another place that's beautiful, you just find another beautiful place. So for some reason TikTok want to keep playing music videos while I'm recording. So what I'm going to do, let me go ahead and end this TikTok video and let me keep walking because I'm looking for this Chinese market. Oh, okay, electronics and stuff. So let me go ahead and walk there, and make sure you follow the YouTube channel, Jason Chaney. Okay. Where's Burgers? All right, we got a solar house here, guys. Now, I will say this. I've seen solar panels all over South Africa. I don't know the pricing on them. But they look like some really good panels here. What we have here? Spice Cottage. Got us a little barber shop, guys. Oh, that's a butcher. Don't need to go in there.
So then, this one your right hand.
Guys, let's go and make our way across. Alright, look, we got a place for motos and stuff. I'll pass it. Got a Jimmy's Killer Fish and Chips over there. Okay, Northcliffe Square, Muchachos. So like that's a little wouldn't call it a mall. What do you call it? Like a plaza or something? Okay, here we go. So it's Liquor City. So this is what I saw, China Market, 50% off. So I just want to see, what is it? What is China Market? Whew. Hopefully they got some dumplings or something. Maybe it's upstairs. So this place here reminds me of the little shopping area around Mabonne. When you go inside it, across from the 12 Arts Hotel. Oh, here we go, China Market. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna be a little bit of everything type place. Let's check it out and see ya. So this is China Market. Let's see what they got in here, yo. Never know. And this is how I'm always finding stuff that I could need or use. Hey, how you doing? Huh? Oh. Okay. All right. So they got different keyboards. They have a little drone thing. Okay, games, stuff like that. I don't know if they got Monopoly.
Yeah.
Thank you. They got Legos. They do have a Monopoly. But I want Captain America. Okay, yeah, they don't have a regular Monopoly. No. All right. What do I need? Cleaning, I don't need nothing there. Got on this side. Oh, let me check these dry erase boards. So I have been looking for one of these. 70. It's not a bad price. Do it come with a marker? No. All right. I'll go to China Mall for that. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay, here's a little blackboard. Come with the colors though. No. I think I prefer a dry erase. Okay, I'm gonna check out China Mall instead of getting one here. I got a potato chipper. Excuse me. So if I can say, the one thing that I miss from the U.S. is kitchen gadgets, yo. I haven't found... No, it's a camera. Come on, man. You know there's not a... I could have used these flashlights when I first got here doing load shedding. Now I'm at the place where I don't even care about it. So they do sell grow lights here, guys. So if you plan on doing any type of growing, they have the grow lights here, which is cool. And I will say here, the grow lights here are a lot cheaper than any other country I've been in. Let's see what we have on this side. Let's see. Excuse me. Okay, we got some binoculars, counterfeit money detector, fog liquid.
Not a short little. No.
All right, it's a nice store, guys, but I was actually looking for Chinese food and stuff like that. So it wasn't what I was looking for, but it's still nice to know this place exists. Yeah, so there's no